hard and loved each other tenderly until one day the old woman fell ill. She called Katya to her side and said, "Little pigeon, my time is near. Soon you must make your way in the world, but I have a gift that will help you." She took out a little Matryoshka doll, a nesting doll, out of a small box. The doll was smooth and bright and painted in the likeness of a grandmother, her apron and kerchief. Katya started to open the doll. "Stop," said the old woman. "Not yet. If your time is great, open the doll and help will come. But you may only do so 3 times. After that, the magic will be gone."